Hirap nun.
Okay, so that's such a sharp perspective, guys. So thinking of those defining moments, what moment made you really feel like you're middle aged, and what changed for you after that?
Maybe I will start. um, Middle age. So I actually, in terms of let's say 40 or middle age, and balik ito ay I need I need to read.
Isuras mga
Ano?
paano mo sa iyo. Hirapan kami sa isod.
Ibalik ko to.
Wala ganun ba? Yes or no?
True or
Ano ba to? Either English or Bisaya or Tagalog or
kahit ano. Pwede kang mag-German.
Ambot. Yun lang alam ko.
That's it. Ang kasama nito ni Selena is puro Bisaya.
Sabi ko nga sa may nakasalubong ako. Unsa man. Tama ba?
Unsa?
Is that equivalent for WhatsApp? WhatsApp?
Kinda, in a way. I think in a way. Yeah, in a way. What moment made you feel... when what changed for you after that?
Alam mo kung ano sagot sa akin?
Ano, sige, ikaw muna. Parang excited ka nito
Hindi, sabi niya, ambot. Yun ang sagot niya, ambot mo.
So, maybe to answer this,
pang senior naman eh.
Lagi. So pag let's say in middle age, no? Na-realize ko na middle age because actually not by 40 but when like nagkasal mi ni Ara sa akong wife. It became, how do I say, real nga nagani kay, so wala mo ko anak, no? So I think dito or usa ko sa walay mga anak, and then si Selena, I think wala kang anak, Selena, di ba? So I think me, Selena, wala kaming mga anak. So
meron. Di ba
meron pala si Sujo. Tama si Sujo. So
magastos
the only way na na-feel ko in terms of kanang na akay i-protect is when that, and then I think na feel na ko by the time that I feel nga I need to protect someone, I need to make sure she is taken care of, parang mga ganyan, is when like na official me ni Ara nga kasal, because I need to prepare unsaon sa pag-ari, and then na feel na ko nga daghana ding responsibility ani kung nakay take care lang tao sa house, how much more kung nakay pamilya, nakay asawa, nakay anak, kuntang lisuk. So that, and then but I also found out that because of that na realize, and then this is actually recent, no, kaya na naman si Ara before si Ara na pa man siya sa Thailand, and then moto daghan ko gising unsaon ako siya pagpaari, unsaon ako magkuyog kanami nga na mga stuff ba. But once Ara was here, I think it came to a point na nindot gani, it's nice because there's someone who reciprocates the care, the love, kanang mga nga stuff ba, and makita gani nimo, like makita nimo day to day, like every day, and then I think that's where I say, oh, this is not that bad. This is not that bad at all, actually. And I'm starting to know how to navigate that. So that's the point where it changed for me. Ikaw, Bads?
Sa ako, nagkuhan siya para nako na saan yung question? Balik. What moment made you really feel with age? Kuhan siguro, pag-abot siguro sa akong anak, once ka-baby na ko, para na ko, no? Kay, kanang, naggunit kasi mong baby ba? Sa ulibog, niya girl pa yun. Para na ko, lisod kay padako girl, kay especially ikaw nga ni dako, kag, puro lakwatsa, puro kuhan niya. So, muna ma-feel sa nako nga, saon nila ko pagpadako, tarong, or yung future, sakto ba? Dili siya malulong sa mga kuan. Kana when it struck me na murag kailangan na gyud nako mag-usab na gyud ba, dili na puro laat puro ko lahi ra gyud siyang kumuli kas balay, like lahi ra kung makakita nimo sila, imong pamilya. Kaya mas structured ka nga, I need to step up na gyud, di ba?
Yeah, exactly. That's true. That's true.
Dili ra puro imong self.
Mo gyud tinuod na ba? So wala na ninidaghan nasa akong likod. This didn't grow up. Kay murag kinala ko ilang gibuhi. Anyway, Ken, ikaw.
Parang resulti ni Bads ba kanang ikaw middle age na kay because my daughter is now 11 years old, so yeah, I think grade 7 na siya, start ng classes next week, so it's high school already, so yeah, that is nane so good resulti daddy na ko'y crush.
Hello.
so like all right, so
Translate.
I was telling her like last year, so first day of school, like she was asked by the teacher like, what do you want, Zara? What do you want to be when you grow up? So you know what she answered? To have a boyfriend. When did you answer that? She asking us what we want to be when we grow up. It's not now anyway, Daddy. So okay. so it's like this. I have to deal with already. So imagine if Chan, but you imagine me like 10 years ago, 15 years ago.
Katong nagkiyata ka?
Like the dumb things I do, the stupid things I do almost every day. So I drink almost every day. So I
Woodstock.
Woodstock. Yeah, I'm telling my daughter, like you said, mas baka dili ba so bati nga. So I'm showing to her first time in my life also I'm being sober already. I'm sober for 5 months. I told Chan earlier. I'm sober for 5 months. First time sa akong life since I was 14 years old. I've been drinking party. So I'm showing my daughter nga sober life, at least siya mao ni ang example iyang i-follow. Dili bitaw ang environment makita siya kung daddy sige like inom sige laglaag. So so to feel the we're guwang na gid ko na. So I think feel you're middle age na yun.
How about you, Selena?
What made me feel really middle-aged? Actually, opposite ang nangyari sa akin eh. Kasi, for women For women, it's really the weight. Well, when you reach, hindi ko alam kung, I think applicable sa lahat ng women when we reach mid-30s, medyo kailangan na namin mag-ingat sa lahat ng kinakain namin. Hindi na kami, yung metabolism namin is not as like as we were in our 20s. Kasi parang construction worker ako kumain nun eh.
Gabi.
Totoo yan. Tanungin mo si Jackie. Kasi
yan.
Parang akong construction worker nun. I was slim. Kahit construction worker ako kumain. So, yun yung mafe-feel mo from as women na nasa midlife ka na. But this is why parang mas madaming effort talaga. So, mas effort mag-gym, mas effort yung everyday physical activity. Kung ayaw mo malosyang. Pati sa lalaki, ganun din. But for us, we just lose muscle faster than you guys.
Oh, grabe.
Mag-agree ka.
Okay.
Okay.